Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to send your Threads post on Instagram direct messages. So if you see a Threads post that you wish to send to your friends or family on Instagram, and for you to do this, you just click on the last icon below. The first one you see, like icon, the comment icon, the repost icon, and then the share icon. You click on the share icon and automatically you can send this to Instagram DMs. You can choose whoever you wish to send it to. Maybe you have a lot of people to send it to, and then when you are done choosing the people you want to send it to, you just click on the arrow beside below. After clicking on it, they'll receive it on Instagram, sent on Instagram. You can also open the chat, and there you have it. That's how to share Threads post on Instagram direct messages. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.